What's good, my people? Another day, another box, another review. Let's get straight into this one. So as you can see, brown box, red Jumpman. Bit different. I haven't seen this one before. Maybe they've done it and I haven't seen it. But yeah, let's just get straight into it before I start waffling about the box. The important bit, the label on the box, which is Air Jordan 6 Retro. The size I got is UK 10. Let's get straight into it. So this pair I actually didn't even like, but now I love. That was a bit loud. So we've got Air Jordan 6. This is what they call the Salesman sample, or the Salesman samples, whatever. Same thing basically. I'll be honest, I did not like them when I first saw the pictures of what they were going to release. I thought, nah, originals are better, you know, the one with the thinner red bit, not the blob of red. Then I got them in person, I got them in hand, I put them on foot, and I thought, you know what, they're onto something here. I really like these. But we'll go through the colors and then I'll carry on waffling about what I like and what I don't. So the sole on this pair is crispy, icy at the bottom. So there was a time where Jordan Brand started making these soles like really blue. I'm happy that this isn't blue and it's clear. When it yellows, you know, you can already see slightly yellowing. When it yellows, it gives a proper OG vibe, which I really like. It's not to everyone's taste, but yeah, standard Jordan 6 sole with a big red Jumpman, black on the rest, and then the ice on the midsole. So it's different to what we've seen before. Nice big thick line of that red, really nice. I'll be honest, I was the biggest hater of this shoe, and now mate, I can't stop looking at them. I can't stop waiting to put them on. I can't stop thinking about outfits. But yeah, so we got the icy sole with the black and then the red. The upper is, it's not much to talk about. It's just the whole thing is nubuck. The whole upper is black nubuck. Simple. That's done. The back is the bit I love. Good old Nike Air. So some people think, yeah, put Nike Air on everything. Some people think put Jumpman on some, Nike Air on some. Some people prefer Jumpman. Nike Air is where it's at for me. I love Nike Air on the back. I have quite a few pairs with Jumpman on the back, I can't lie. However, I prefer Nike Air. It's just, I don't know, it's just so much more cleaner. Plus, I think, you know, Nike Air there, Jumpman there, you know, you've got both. You put the Jumpman on the tongue, put the Nike Air on the back, sorted. And we've got that standard spoiler loop that comes on Jordan 6s. And then the laces, standard black lace, which will be swapped for something a bit different. It will still be a black lace, but it will just be different, and I will record that and put up a video. And then we've got that color red, infrared type red of the Jumpman on the tongue. It's all embroidered in, and then behind it it's got satin, which is kind of like a Jordan 6 lace holder type of thing, and it does open here just so you can get to the laces. And then we've got that Jordan 6 tongue, which is different to a lot of pairs. It's got the two holes, and then it says Jordan, and then it says Air between that, and it's like a rubber type of material. And then on the inside, Jordan, not for resale. So I really love this pair, especially because I got to get it under retail, way under retail. And yeah, when I saw it first, I was like, nah, I don't like this pair. It's just the red. I thought it was too much all across here, but now it's done more than warm to me, if I'm honest. Oh man, I can't even start to explain. I've got so many ideas for outfits with this shoe. I am going to put this shoe on foot real soon. But yeah, make sure you check out all the other content. I'm not going to waffle up anymore. You can wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot video, so that would be this shoe on foot. Wait a few days and you'll also see another on foot video of the same thing, just because I post one review video with the on foot and then I post a separate on foot, just because sometimes people like to see separate on foot, sometimes people want to see the full review. But yeah, wait a few moments, you'll see that. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Click the bell icon so you know when the other videos are coming out. There will also be a lace swap video, so wait, have a look for that. Probably will be the week after this has been released. If you're watching it months down the line, all those videos are out. Go on the channel, have a look. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and most importantly, take care, my people.